Good morning. I've cleared off the bottom shelf of this unit. I want to do a little bit of organizing. I want to thank Temu for sponsoring today's video. I am going to show you a few things that I've picked out to help me in organizing this kitchen. I want this to look neat and I want the countertops to look good. I got myself a label maker. I'll put the prices for everything on the screen. Temu is an online marketplace. They have the most incredible prices. They offer free shipping. They have a really great return policy. 90 days, you can do returns if you don't like what you get. This little label maker, it's the best price that I've seen online. I've been eyeing this for a while and it's so easy to use. It's so awesome. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a label for this jar that says Samson's Dog Bones. And then I'm gonna make a label for this little guy that says Samson's Treats. If that can all fit on a label, I don't know. Let me try it out right now and see. That was easy. Oh my gosh, look at that. This time I added a little bone. It says Samson's Treats and there's a little bone emoji. Cute. Does not get any cuter than that. Okay, so this one I'll use for the treats. That's why I like to save glass jars. I love to save glass jars because you can use them for so many different things. Can you see it? These air fryer liners on Temu. I'm just gonna store them in here for easy access. Does not mean it's for you. Sorry. I also got this for the refrigerator to do a little salad bin. So I can do chopped radishes, chopped bell peppers, chopped green onions, just chop up a bunch of different raw veggies that I can then scoop out and use for my salad that I have every day. One of the other upgrades I'm making is this pan here. I have one pan that I cook with, this is it, and it is destroyed. So I got one of these non-stick type pans from Temu that is incredible, and I've switched to cooking all of my meals in it and things just slide right off. I think it's kind of like an always pan. Everything slides right off of it. It's been a dream to cook with. I really, really love it. So gonna say goodbye to this and keeping this one. Love the color of it too. I also picked out this bucket, and what's cool about it is that it collapses. Look at that. I mean, I had never seen anything like that before, and I love it because I can just put it under the sink when I'm done with it. And I'm using it for cleaning, but I feel like, you know, you can do a lot with a bucket. You can use it to soak your whites, but when you're living in a small space, those things really matter. So I liked picking out smaller miniature items on the Temu app So they have an app and it's got a lot of extra perks on there. But yeah, I picked out smaller things that were not going to make the kitchen feel bulky. And I also liked picking out portable things that I can grab easily on the go. This is much better. So a couple other things I got this little electric food processor and it charges wirelessly. I've been using it to chop up my garlic. So it's totally portable. I don't have to have it plugged in, which I like. And it's small enough to fit out in my little basket. Then I also got this little handheld blender. Same thing, it charges wirelessly, which means I can take it on the go. It's small. I don't have a blender, so this is like perfect for me. Just to have something small to make little smoothies with. And same thing, it's wireless. Pretty cool. I didn't know I needed a little baby blue mini vacuum cleaner until I had one. And now I use this thing every single day. It means that I don't have to wheel out my big vacuum cleaner. I can use this to pick up any little crumbs, anything that falls onto the table, onto the countertops. It is so handy. I love this thing. A couple other things I got on Temu. I got this digital spoon. I like to weigh and measure my meals. And now I can use this if I want to scoop out of the pan. So I got some of these cable cord winders. They're great to put on the back of appliances. I used it this week and I put a black one on the back of my espresso machine. And I have some extras here for any future appliances. Best price I've seen online, like by far, because I've bought these before and paid maybe 5 or 6 times the amount. So I'll store these in my little basket here. It's looking good. Okay, one of the other items I got. This is a bag sealer. And this would always drive me crazy. The food would, start to get frostbitten. And so this bag can be resealed with this little gadget. So put it here on the thing. So I put it on the bag like that and it reseals it. See how it's closed again? So I can pull that part off. Try it on this half. I'm just going across like so. It's closed. It is closed. So it creates a new seal. I don't know, I think that's pretty cool. And I like that I can just stick it on the fridge or the freezer. It has a magnet. On the freezer. There she goes. I'm definitely a more visual person, so I like having this open shelving unit in the kitchen to display some of my more prettier items, but it can easily start to look cluttered. So I decided to put all of the duplicates into the hallway pantry area. And then I also decided to store items I'm not currently using in the upper cabinets above the stove, just to give it a little bit of a neater appearance. Here's what the shelving unit looks like now. I think it looks nice. So it's a little more simplified. It's not so cluttered, not as much as it was before. It just looks a little neater out here. This being the big unit that I have that everything's kind of displayed on. Could easily get messy. I'm going to store this little guy in my bin here. Perfect. I think I've done a good job with balancing out the kitchen. It's not too cluttered, it's just right for me and my lifestyle. Let me know what you guys think in the comments of the items I've picked out and how you think my kitchen vibe is feeling overall. I will leave a link in the description box underneath the video with all of my picks, including my unique code where you can save an extra 30% off. Thanks Temu for sponsoring today's video. Thanks to you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.